Shortly after announcing the A75 and A75s, Oppo unveiled another smartphone dubbed A83. The device is powered by an SoC with octa-core 2.5 GHz processor, and sports a 5.7-inch display with 720 x 1440 pixel resolution and 18:9 aspect ratio. RAM is 4 GB, while internal memory is 32 GB. The handset features a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front shooter measuring 150.5 73.17.7 and weighing in at 143 g. The phone runs Android 7.1 and packs in a 3090 mAh battery. The Oppo A83 also features facial recognition technology that the company claims can unlock the device within 0.18 seconds. Color options for the handset include champagne gold and black. The phone costs 1,399 Chinese yuan, $215. The phone will go on sale in China on December 29th.